Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to attach your leather skin to your iPhone. Keep in mind that this is really a one-shot deal, so take it slow, be careful, but it'll be okay, we'll get this. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Use a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or dirt particles from the back of your iPhone. Step 2. Peel the leather skin off. Be careful not to peel the leather around the camera because this could stretch it. Then, reattach the skin to the bottom of the adhesive backing. Step 3. Line the top of the skin with the top of your iPhone. Make sure it's straight on the glass edge of the phone. Step 4. Once the skin is aligned with the top of the phone, put pressure on the skin to seal it. Make sure to seal the skin around the camera and the sides and the top of the phone. Step 5. Peel the adhesive backing back off and continue sealing the phone. Make sure you get all areas. It's really important that you don't peel the skin back, because that could stretch the leather and make the skin not fit properly on your iPhone. Lastly, do a full rub down of the skin, making sure there are no air bubbles and that the skin is completely flat against the iPhone. We hope that this video helped you, and if for whatever reason you have to remove your leather skin from your iPhone, you can easily peel it off without there being any residue left behind. Drop a comment below on whether you prefer cases or skins. We're curious to hear your thoughts. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks guys.